Okay guys, welcome back. Thanks for watching everybody. My name is Mark. If you've just tuned in, why don't you hit that subscribe button for me please? Be a big favour, thank you. Yeah, so I wanted to do this about this tent. This is an absolute legend of a tent. It's the Banshee. It's the Banshee 200. I have had this tent over 5 years now. I've got loads of memories where I absolutely love the tent. But if you're a beginner, this is one that you could consider. Now Bango have a range. The Nevis is good, the Banshee. This was the one I chose anyway for my first trekking tent. I had loads of other. I made all the mistakes that everybody makes when they're a beginner. So this was not a mistake. This paid for itself 10 times over at this stage. So I'm just going to put it together now, and it's quite easy to put up. And actually, I washed that on a low heat, and it still smells brand new after all these years of using. So look, I'm just going to put it together anyway. I might go out of screen. It's quite easy to put together this, so I'll show you, because I have had some beginners ask me could I show how to put up a tent, so I'll do that now for you. I sometimes forget that the very basics when people are learning that putting up a tent, that the people who've never put one up, struggle a bit. So look, there's nothing to struggle with these tents, as I'll show you now. Some pegs. Now, so there's two poles in this, a short pole and a long pole. Once you get them two in, you can place it then wherever you want. There's good strong hoops here. A little loop that you put that in, and another one over this side. Okay, so that's your first pole in and done. So you can see it's starting to take shape. Very easy. The blue poles go through. It's a little blue tag here. And same again. Find your little loops. I keep all this in the film. Now, loops. So, I'm going to turn it this way. Okay, so what I usually do with this is I take 4 pegs and I peg down this, okay, and see, that gives you your exact length, very easy. And then on the other side, you can line them up either side. That looks good there. So I get one peg down there, and one peg down there. So that's just 4 pegs. Two in there. And now, I'll go down the back. That one. Then has these brilliant little clips here. One there. And one there. There you go. The Banshee. And there you go, the Banshee is up. Of course, there's another few of these that will have to go tighten out, but I don't need to tighten them now. But look, I'll give you a look inside now, hang on. Okay, so let's have a look, a closer look at the tent, okay? So if you are new, you'll hear the term two fly, two sheet tent, okay? And basically what that is that's your one fly, your one sheet, and that's your two fly, your second sheet, okay? So see all of that gap all around there, that will stop condensation going in, okay, because that's a good airflow that goes around it. Now there's another vent here, right there. So this vent here, well, there used to be a little thing that stuck out there and held open, so you can see in there, that's getting plenty of air in. And this one under here as well, so that'll get plenty of air in as well. Okay, so here I am back inside the tent now, in the inner fly, the inner sheet, okay? So I'm going to lie down. Okay, so I'm 5'10". Still a bit of room down there for the overhang of the bag. And then here, so I have a nice bit of comfortable room. It says it's a 2-man, absolutely no way. You won't get 2 men in this. You probably won't even fit 2 large sleeping mats in it. But what it is perfect for is 1 man and 1 kit. So you can take all your kit in out of the elements and not have to worry about it getting wet. So this, let's have a look. 2 more pockets there, and then there's 2 over on this side as well. You've got 2 doors, like that, if there is 2 people. Now I have a friend and his girlfriend, and they camp many a times in one of these, so don't rule it out if you are happy enough to leave your kit in the porch, because there is a decent porch there, cooking as well. Not on that side, but there is room to put stuff down there for you. So yeah, so that's the inside of the tent. It has this strap system here. The only one thing I would say about this is, see me head, and especially with me mat and I'm higher up from the ground and so on, I couldn't really sit up straight in this. So if you're over 5'10", maybe 5'10", you'd be grand, but like when my mat's up there, I'll be really pushing my head up here. So that was the only thing, the only bad thing I could say about this tent is that the dome tents have, and even my new laser, that's higher as well. I think that's 95 centimetres, where this is only 85 centimetres high. So I'll put a plan up of the tent. Yeah, okay, so look, we'll go back out and we'll have a chat about it. Okay, thank you. Yeah, so welcome back. So what I think about it, if you're new to wild camping, you should probably consider one of these types as well, you know. It's been tried and tested by many a wild camper, nutcases like me. So yeah, if you're new to the game, this is the one I'd recommend for you to get, the Banshee 200. I think it's roughly about 160, 70 euros at the moment, and it weighs 2.4 kilos. So that's light enough. It's not ultra light, but it's lightweight. You can pitch her up in 5 minutes. You can pitch it. I've pitched this in a ditch, you know. It's as I showed earlier. You pitch it in 5 minutes. It's very good. So look, my opinion on it, I'd give this tent 9 out of 10. I'd only take 1 point off it for it is a little bit heavier than some of the ones on the market, although they're a lot more expensive, and it's only 85 centimeters high, so my head at 5'10" does be hitting the top of it. So yeah, other than that, it's 9 out of 10. It's an amazing tent, and yeah, it won't let you down. So anyways, look, thanks for watching. I've got some more videos coming up through the summers and some more competitions and prizes to win, so I'll see you soon. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.